I want to elevate also the third video, so it aims at my head more. And finally, stop the third video and play it back to verify that it works. And it works fine. So I'm going to stop it and start another clip here too. Okay, so now that I re-clipped everything, I'm ready to go for the next step to show how I'm editing some videos. But before that, I want to refresh the Pixar problem step recorder. So first of all, I'm going to add a comment with whatever is in the buffer. Paste whatever was in the buffer, which is the previous file name of Pixar.exe. And now I want to stop the current Pixar.exe, save a new clip, take the previous file name, give it a subscript of A, and then the current time, which is 11:45. So I started at 11:37, and then I add a dash, space, 11:45 p.m. ZP URL tell. And insert the path of the Pixar.exe, the beginning of the string followed by a separator backslash, forming a string that contains a prefix of the path plus the file name updated, copy to the clipboard buffer and save. And then I want to click review additional details to see that has been 26 steps. A bit longer than the ideal, but sometimes I want to keep longer files also, so they include more keystrokes and so on. Okay, so now I'm going to bring down some of the videos so they don't take the entire screen, and go back to the browser to do a little edit and draft. So here I have an upload that is complete, so I'm going to close it and click edit draft, and then next, 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 make it public and publish. I'm going to repeat this operation several times to edit these videos and monitor them to make sure that I want to make them public and then make them public. So the steps again is click the edit draft button. Repeat what I said, Sarah. I click the edit draft button. And then I click the next button, next button, next button 3 times until I reach the visibility.
Until you reach the visibility tab.
And
The
then
visibility drop down, right?
Visibility is not a drop down, it's a dialog box that contains a flow that shows you the different steps, detail, video elements, and checks. And there is a check mark in every step that I've completed. So far, I have not completed the visibility step, so the circle is empty or clear, as opposed to the check, no garbage, as opposed to the checks that is dark and has a check mark inside, meaning that that step has been completed. So at the visibility dialog box, after the workflow, there is another pop-up menu that includes private, unlisted, and public. And I choose the public, and then it says everyone can watch your video, set as instant premiere. I don't want to deal with instant premiere, so I leave it unchecked. Do you understand it? So tell me, what is is the dialog box for visibility?
All I heard was
Private, unlisted, or public?
oh, you have a choice.
A pop-up,
Private. You have
multiple choice menu.
you have private, unlisted, or public. You're gonna check public.
When I checked public, so the next step is to check the publish button.
Now you have to check or press.
Click on the publish button.
You have to click on public.
So I click on the publish button and I wait. Finally it comes video published. I can now share a link to WhatsApp, Facebook, X, email, Kakao Talk, and Reddit.
What was the one before Reddit?
Kakao Talk.
How do you spell it?
Kakao space TALK. Kakao Talk.
Oh,
Talk. Anyways, I don't want to deal with them. There are a few other social media multiple choice, including LinkedIn, Tumblr, Blogger, Pinterest, OK, and VK. I don't want to deal with any of them. Finally, there is Goo, Mix, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and so on. So I want to close all of them. I don't want to share it too much. I don't want to be bothered with people communicating with me. Then I go to the next step. Another item. Another 3-minute video clip. I go next, 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 3 times. Then I come to the visibility dialog box. What is the visibility dialog box, Sarah?
makes it visible.
It contains what? First of all, you have a number, a very long number, that contains the interaction ID, which is about 15 characters number.
So that's unique to what?
It is unique to this interaction.
What's this interaction?
The interaction is telling YouTube what visibility do you want to assign to this video clip.
That's the unlisted and the
Yes, and then there is a flow, a workflow diagram.
the workflow diagram.
You see, look at this.
I'm in the middle of cooking.
Detail,
Oh, it tells
video
you
elements,
it's a workflow.
checks, and visibility.
And you're on the
Details is checked.
right. Video elements is open.
It's open because it's not finished yet.
Okay.
Checks is done.
And visibility.
And now visibility.
Take your workflow.
Once I sign the public visibility to it, and I click publish, it will be completed. So I check the public option and then click publish, and now it says video published and gives me the interaction number. You see, this is the interaction number. You see that number is unique to this interaction. You understand? Published October 5th, 24.
Right.
And then you can publish it to multiple
You can
media.
no, that's sharing the link. You can
Right.
share the link.
And here you have the link that is shareable.
Yeah, video link.
And it says copy video link.
That's your YouTube link.
Right. I don't want to copy it and mess with it
Okay,
now,
so
so I'm just
close.
closing it.
Okay.
And that's the end of my cycle.
Okay, fine. You have
You
this ready for
understand?
you. So start now.
Fine. Okay, I got a few more to go, but I want to cut the Pissar short, so I'm going to stop the Pissar now. Save the Pissar with another version number. This will be version number B for today. So I upgrade the A to B, and the current time is 11:53. So I upgrade the 45 minutes to 53 minutes. So 0.53. Otherwise, everything is the same. Copy the path of pissar.exe, which stands for problem step recorder.exe executable, and insert it at the beginning of the file name, and paste it as a prefix to the file name, separated by a backslash as a separator. then mark the whole thing, copy to the clipboard buffer and save. Then I want to click the review additional details and scroll up to see that that was 45 steps, the entire interaction. And start anew and add the comment with the previous file name. So the current PSAR file name will include the link to the previous file name. Then I go to my notes and I'm going to paste, edit, paste this file name on my notes, include a few inserts of blanks in my notepad so it segregates it from the previous sessions. Then I have a few more drafts to edit, so I click on edit draft, next, public, publish, and close. And repeat it. Next, public, publish, and close. Edit draft, next, public, and close. And this is the B channel, stands for backup. Next, public, and close. Next, public, and close. Edit, next, public, and close. Edit, draft, next, public, publish, and close. I have a lot of new uploads, so a lot of next, public, publish, and close. Let's put it in my notes. So next times 3. Next, then public, and then close. Now I'm going to copy it and put it in the file name. But before that, I want to edit as a comment to PSAR problem step recorded.exe. And then I'm going to stop recording with PSAR, click the save button to save the new version, take the previous file name and insert at the beginning before the URL tail, paste the steps that I took, and update the time, 11:57. So upgrade 53 to 57, and then I assign it a version number. This will be version C. Then I'm going to clip to the buffer the path of PSAR.exe, copy it to the clipboard buffer, then insert it at the beginning of the file name in the first position, paste the path, and then add a backslash. I got myself a complete updated file name with the prefix, copy to the clipboard buffer, and I clicked on the save button. And you can see that there is some problem here. It may be that it doesn't like the star. So instead of the star, I'll put
Asterisk, you mean?
asterisk, thank you. So I'll put in an X for multiplication because it doesn't like the asterisk. And try it again and see if my hypothesis is correct. Copy to the clipboard buffer again and try to save, and this time it worked, so that is true. Now review additional details to see that the previous step was 77 Step number 77. Add a comment with the previous file name, and remember, asterisks are not allowed in file name for Windows 10. And then paste it in my notes. Edit, paste, and file save. So now I can continue with my edit draft. Next, 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 public, publish, and close. Another one, edit draft, next, 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 public, publish, and close. And repeat it the same again. This is a perfect segment for automation with the AI, because all the steps in between are identical. Since I'm not doing any additional editing, next, 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 public, publish, and close can go a lot faster if the machine does it. And then I can monitor it in real time and overwrite it anytime that I need to unlist it or make it private. Otherwise, it is quite tedious to do it manually and a huge waste of time. Unless, of course, you do a lot of things that needs to be private, which I don't. So I just use the same sequence over and over again, which is a huge waste of time, since they're all identical. Yet YouTube doesn't have the brains to enable automation built in. So you have to do it with an external app like AI or keystroke recorder or something like that, which I don't want to waste my time doing now because it goes so fast. It's not worth the trouble. So here I finished the whole page already. And I can go to another instance to see what's going on there. And there it still is working.
Abby, your breakfast is ready.
All right. So here's one video, 12 minutes and 19 seconds. I played back to see how that looks. There's also a copyright message.
Wow, nice. Couldn't, you know what else is good? That it wasn't inside the museum, because then they would have said you can't film, you can't do this. This was
Yeah, right.
outside.
Yeah.
Nobody paid attention. You know what I mean?
And they say you can't film with all the equipment, you
And you cannot identify anybody. The resolution is
Wow.
such
Right.
that you can see the general idea.
Are we dancing? There?
Yes,
You can't even see
you
us.
can see it. You can see.
Oh, yeah. Just me, isn't it?
No, me.
Where's you? Oh, you're in the back. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you really don't see you.
I want to see the face of the hoops too much. You know, you can see the faces.
Look on her.
See me in the background there?
Yeah. See me?
I like to give you the position that I can watch our back.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see what hard the cameras too.
Now I want to show how we eat.
You want to talk about the meal?
So I wanted
The
to
food, you want to do it?
tell me now. Repeat what I'm saying.
The food?
I'm turning it around first, aim it at the food, and then press the stop and the record. So now I have the food in front. I want to do chef de village, really chef de village, I should say. Explaining what is it that we are having here.
It's a morning,
Fantastic breakfast.
it's more,
Let me aim it at the chef de village. See who's talking. Here she is, Miss America. All that glory. Tell the audience what it is that we are talking about.
if you want this on the background, it's going to be stopped.
You can make it silent
You know what I mean? I like it.
so we can run the video.
Yeah.
Without having the hassle of getting the copyright and schmuck.
Right.
That reason I start new clip here. First of all, pointing at the food. Starting with the food, not with the chef de village to explain to the audience. Here she is, Miss America, also the best chef de village. Will explain to you how she prepared this fantastic breakfast. Here she gives it the final touch.
Makes a big difference. Okay.
What is it that made it?
This is our morning brunch. It's noon, afternoon, so it's a perfect brunch.
What does it tell you about that?
It's egg omelet with avocado and sprinkled also with beets, fresh beets, mini beets. What do you think?
Wow.
Something like this costs like $20 now in the store.
It's not nearly as good. I'd say.
Right. Okay. You want to know what's in the omelet?
Just make sure you can shape. Aim the camera in the right place. This camera. Where are you? Okay, here you are. No, point at my dish with your finger. On the table, point at my dish.
I am.
What? Hide it with my face. Say it like this, with your hands. Okay, that's good enough. Okay,
But
360. Be quiet for just a
not
second.
exact, because I want to see
Be
us
quiet
dance.
for just a second, please.
I want to see us dancing.
Talk. That's fine.
Can I move this?
Shut up. Let me see if I'm seeing myself.
You see yourself, but let me move.
Move it.
No, just move it.
Fine.
You know what I mean?
Move it with the groove.
On this one, we want to move to see where. Oh, you see the crowd? Oh, we're not dancing yet. Okay. We're not dancing anymore. I guess we took a break or what?
Show the special effect.
Mm-hmm. See? Oh, interesting here. Do we see ourselves here? Oh, see here? You see us here? You see yourself?
Yes, just leave it alone for a while.
How do you look?
I'm looking.
No, you're not. You're looking at your food. See yourself? You see yourself?
Yeah.
Great location. You know?
Yeah.
We don't bother anybody. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You remember how you used to have to do your 3 sticks and you put it to the fence and it fell down and the slips and moving?
Oh, yeah.
And you see how nicely you walk to the car with it?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Talking about that. I want to find a way to stabilize it.
Yeah, that it. Did you see how it twirls too much when you walk?
to monitor it a little, you
Yeah.
understand?
See what you did?
Yes. 'Cause when I edit it, normally I don't have enough time.
To even look what you updated.
Yes. Oh, I forgot. Another thing I like to do, watch this. When I monitor them,
Yeah.
I forgot to show you that. I want to
What?
give it a thumb up.
Oh, thumbs up, one thumb.
So I know that, see thumb up?
Yeah.
Well, this way I know that I've been there because nobody else came to it yet.
Oh, I thought it had one. I thought
And
it
you see tom, no garbage.
I
When I
see that.
keep clicking it, it doesn't move anywhere.
Yeah.
Doesn't go up.
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Because it is slow.
Oh, is it?
I keep clicking it, you see, I like this, and it
Yeah.
doesn't work.
Okay.
So that is an example where the machine is overloaded. And sometimes clicking it,
Let's see where the band is.
moving it around,
Yeah, it looks like they're on break.
doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Jesus help me.
Yeah, they're on break. Oh, no, I
Break
think
or
this is.
schmake,
No, it looks like they're.
it doesn't
ended.
matter.
Yeah, they ended.
But when you click it later, eventually it should work, but for some reason it doesn't. When it works, it will turn from 0 to 1. You understand?
Yeah.
When the machine is overloaded, these are the type of things that they turn down. I mean, the defaults that are dysfunctional to save memory. You understand? So you just cannot handle the load. You understand? Also, this is a 360, which also takes a lot of
Yeah,
resources.
Yeah.
So when I go back and I'll run something that's not 360 on the same configuration, here is your face. You see that face of yours?
No.
You see it now?
No.
Here?
Oh, now I see it. Yeah.
So now I go and I click thumb up, also doesn't work. Which means that the machine is still overloaded.
Maybe it doesn't. Okay, it works because it's just overloaded. Okay. So that damn thing is not walking.
Anyways, I want to put in something that is longer so I can finish eating.
In peace. I found this on the floor.
Just a second, please.
Wash the
Turn
dishes.
your head off until the head falls off. Right, George? You harken with China, or you harken with China? One of them works. What can I do? Turn off the audio now. I don't have any issue. There's music. It's nothing wrong.
No, it's the end.
Yeah, we're working on the screen.
Yeah, we're walking. There's no music. It's the end.
Cannot tell what it is.
This is coming from the 360. Okay.
Record video.
Oh, this switchboard is on. Did you look at your phone? Are you
Phone.
recording your phone?
Stop.
You know what I mean? Because it switches.
Yeah, that's the problem. This is why you want to monitor for the
Are
time.
you monitoring it? You have so many
Sure.
things to no, you didn't.
I have so many things to worry about.
All of a sudden I look and it was my
Record
face.
video. Now the listening stops, you know.
Hopefully their car will run. It looks like it's dying down a bit.
My camera.
It's going to be a hurricane here, so maybe what you should do when it stops raining.
Record video.
No, Monday could be. No, it's gonna be
Straight.
raining
That's it.
soon. It stops raining. You wanna put away some things that you're gonna need, and you know they're gonna blow away.
That's right.
The portable
We need
battery.
today,
Yeah.
because tomorrow's supposed to be all day rain.
No, you don't
Today
want
is
to
the
take
day
a
they say
chance.
that sometimes
Make
it'll stop
slow.
raining.
What?
Make slow.
Oh, this reminds me, why don't I order the battery? And from Amazon or from Costco?
Remember we
Amazon,
ate
I
you one
think.
time, once or twice?
Can I do it
Just
now?
wine, remember they
No, I
used
wanna-
to have
I
some
wanna
reception
order.
somewhere.
No, but okay.
I never ate it. We never ate. We just wanted to taste.
That's the problem, you see. When you line them up too many of them, like this, it starts to,
Put all around.
yeah.
You know what you could do? Put it in the box itself.
I have in the box the lunch box.
And this one was good.
It's fine, it doesn't matter. It works.
It's good to see
Good
what
enough, but what I don't like is that it turns on its own.
see.
I'd like to keep it from turning on its own.
Yeah, see how it's turning? This is not tight enough.
We have all these cages to fool around with. We don't know which direction,
Which is
which
tight.
goes in which direction.
Left is usually loosey, and that's what I always know. I used to say left is loosey.
Then I can turn it from here,
Yeah.
see like this.
Can you tighten it?
So many ways. It's not easy to produce something that works, you know.
You have to actually use it
Yeah.
for more than a couple of minutes. And also, what the thing is, the street is not straight.
Yes,
But a lot of times you want to do that, is you
yes.
and see if it
This one you can get tomorrow.
because it really fits in a show. You know what I mean? If you want 360.
Go in the show like that.
I want you to get the same brand so I can swap.
Can you bring out the same, can you bring me the same
I
brand?
need to
There's so many
take it
events
from the
that
car.
I like to
Right.
That way I can
somehow
order it and send them
register
to
and
them.
organize.
Well, that's what strollers. That's what you know what I mean?
It worked.
But this, what I like about this is you can use it as a seat. Strollers you can use as a seat.
That's right. So it's very versatile.
Right. And it can fold up so. And
Right smoothly and turn.
my idea was to
smoothly.
get 4 legs. You always said, well, what do I need 4 legs for? 4 wheels.
Yeah,
You remember?
yeah. I remember.
But it makes
very
a
well.
difference.
Yeah. So that-
So what's the problem?
Is your camera working?
Yes.
Okay.
What was the issue?
Oh, I'll try it. I was saying to walk around it.
No, let's just go into the car. It's about enough. You know what I mean?
I want to walk here in the.
No, I walked already.
See, that's the problem. You have to hold it well so it doesn't fall.
It's going to work.
No?
I went.
This place you never rely on.
What?
Never rely on the light.
Then we go to the left. See how it is in the top too? You know what I mean? You made like cobble.
Yeah.
And then go on the end. that's what this restaurant. Nobody sits outside.
The Mexican?
Yeah. Like Espanol, you know? But she was good.
Yeah.
For the woman dancing.
It was an alumni relationship. I knew that
I remember
she remembered that we were dancing all the time.
Right. She used to go to all those,
Events.
yeah, she was better, and she grew up. Remember better? Remember that thing? You know, she used to have those parties, you know? Out
Yes, I remember. Now I remember much more vividly. When I saw her at the beginning, immediately I knew that I knew her from somewhere, but I couldn't from the life of me to. Her name was Stephanie. Joanne what?
From Stephanie
Joanne Mars.
Mar.
Mar. Like bitter.
Yeah. See my car?
Yeah.
See how all the cars.
I'm not used to dancing like this. You know, it's really good for us.
Well, we used to be doing that when they had that downtown. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it also lifts your mood. You know what I mean? When you have good
Then you
music,
go home.
get going there. It's good to see how it works.
Yeah, it's great. It's jolly enough.
Why do I have to pick you up? You know what I mean? You should try it out, right?
Yeah.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And they haven't even started taking down their stuff. You know what I mean? Okay.
Where's your bags?
Give me my bag.
What's
That's not my
making
bag.
the noise?
Oh, this is my bag?
Oh, this guy.
What?
I didn't know what made the noise.
What made the noise?
He was
Oh,
clicking his
Okay, he's right.
paper.
Ali, this is your bag, not mine.
Fine.
Why do I have a
Very
headache?
sure.
Why do I have a headache?
You didn't drink it.
I was drinking all the time. Maybe this is tight, all the stuff.
It's not tight at all. It's
What is it called, this new garbage that they have here?
Compost.
Compost recycling. Recycling.
Flash on. Flash on. right there to the left, you see? I'll clear everything, put it there, and then underneath it I'll put the same stuff back in position. is a zip tie in capital one, a zip tie cup holder that you can stick your fingers in here. This is some summer watermelon juice. I want to make a little clip to show 'em. This is a capital one investing for good giveaway, and this is a zip tie handle that I added to make it better, to insulate it. Drop it inside. You can even drop the cap till you finish drinking. Drop the cap and drink. Then when you put it away, you pull out the cap and cap it so if you spill it, it won't, if you drop it or something like that, it won't spill all over the place. Okay, back to our editing mission. So this is it for this one, fully edited. And this one is complete. And this one is complete. Finally this one, upload complete. Complete here, complete there. think that what it depends on whether it has copyright violations or not. If there's copyright violations, then it takes longer. It's not clear if there are copyright violations or not. Actually, it's in New York. You're good, you're good. You're good, you're good. Does the government make some phone calls? So now, make some phone calls. 30. Okay, here we go. I want to take this Google number that will expire in 30 days and process it. Said that this is not the file that I want to use. I want to pull the file out of my folder, my Google Voice folder. So I want to go to Document, scroll down to Google Voice. I need G. G is after F. Here's Voice. Here's the last one. Go to the very top. Separate them by open and close. Right slash. The top here. The left slash. And a few spaces. Enter is okay. Now I want to log in to X Strategy School. So I want to open another instance. So I want to delete this one. Then I want to open another instance of Gmail. Then add another, paste it. Next. Next. Six. This 36. There's no B's. It's not 36. Cycle is not 36. Air. Now air. Open. 36. So we can get the phone. Okay, so now I'm ready to start another clip. There is an issue of verification here. So I want to get the verification to this phone. Call. No, this is just text, or what is that? Next. Call. Enter. The code. Too many failed attempts. Unavailable because too many failed attempts. Try another way. What is another way? Application code. Get the call. Use another phone number to finish signing in. Recovery phone number. Okay. So this didn't work. Which other phone number do we want? So more base. And then no, the cycle. Right. Good. 8, 4, 3, 9, 9, 7, 6, 9, 2, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. Open a browser on a phone or computer where you already signed in. Sign in. Where am I already signed in? Already signed in into what?
Probably Google.
The number doesn't match the one you provided. Try again.
Whatever did you provide?
Bothering you? This number you didn't like.
Okay.
I'll put this number again. Maybe this will work now.
833-779-2426. Okay.
You didn't like that, right?
Then, but
Now air open. Now air open. Plus email. Copy. Save. Add the comment. Paste and add the file name. I want to delete this too. Delete this too. Then I want to go to voice. I want to delete the spam. No spam. Then I want to make an outbound call.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
So here we take the message. Copy and overwrite the Gmail there. Paste. And the word will not expire in 30 days. Expire in 30 days. Okay. Now I want to save it in the Google Voice folder. So I want to go File, Save As, Google Voice folder. Cancel. Paste. Google Voice, and I want also to add parentheses open. Close. Save it. Copy. Save it. Paste. And also I want to add now. Open. Close. Not good. Yes. Rush. Plus. Recover. Help me, Rhonda.
What are you doing now?
I want you to narrate what I'm doing. So you can help me. Come here. Repeat what I say. I'm going to drive. Repeat what I say. Then I click on new. Then I click on folder upload. Can you repeat it? Help me, Rhonda. Then I paste the file name and the URL. Now I'm going to strip the file name out of here. So it just has the voice. Delete and enter. And enter. And upload. And keep both. And upload again. And now that it uploaded, I have 271. So I put an X in front of it to know that I've processed this line. And then the number 271 on the bottom. And a couple of enters and then file save. Then I want to save it to yet another subfolder file. Save as. Expand document. Can you help me, Rhonda? Yeah, what?
What do you want?
Repeat what I said. It's stupid. I said already I'm looking for the subfolder X strategies co.
Okay, you're looking for the subfolder X strategies code.
As a subdocument, subfolder on the document subfolder. Want to look at the letter X is before W, right?
Yeah.
No. So stupid, you don't know the American alphabet? I want X strategies. Here is X strategies. Open it up. Copy the path and insert the path in front of the file name. Paste followed by a backslash. Then copy to the clipboard buffer. Repeat, copy to the clipboard buffer.
Copy it to the clipboard buffer.
And then right mouse click and paste into my
Then right mouse click and paste where?
into my notepad.
Into your notepad.
Then that I set it in the notepad, I'm going to click the plus sign on the drive subfolder of Google. Say, click the plus sign on the drive subfolder of Google. Do you hear me, Rhonda?
No.
Click the plus sign
Click the plus sign
on the drive subfolder
on the drive subfolder
of Google
Google what?
of Google Drive.
Of Google OneDrive. Is it Google OneDrive?
Google Drive.
Google Drive.
Microsoft is one. Google Drive.
Google Drive.
And then
And
on
then
the subfolder
in the subfolder,
of Google Drive, I click on folder upload.
and then in the subfolder, you click on
Folder upload.
the folder is called upload.
Folder upload. Two words. Folder.
Upload.
That's it. And now I paste
Now you paste
the folder name
the folder name.
on the input field.
On the
Folder.
input field,
Folder colon.
folder colon.
Then I strip the file name. I want to keep only the folder name, so I delete the file name, press the delete button, and only thing remains is the path to X Strategies Co.
The only remaining path is X strategy code.
And then I hit enter to upload.
Then you press the enter key to upload. You don't hit
Right.
anything.
Then I click the left mouse again for the word upload.
You click the right mouse key.
Left mouse key on the word upload.
On
Repeat it.
on the word upload.
Jesus. And then is a response dialog box, upload 9 files to this site, which is the Drive site on Google.
So it's 9 files and it's the Drive site on Google.
And the options are upload by default and marked, and cancel is the other option.
Mark and cancel are the other options.
It defaults to upload
It defaults to upload,
and give you a second option to cancel.
and it gives you a second option to cancel.
I want left mouse click on upload to upload it.
You want to highlight upload.
No, upload is highlighted by default. I don't need to highlight it again.
So you want to just click on it.
I want to just left mouse click on it,
You just want to click on
or click on it with the left mouse button.
it. You want to click on it with the left mouse button.
Jesus Christ. And I clicked on it and it comes back with upload options, replace or keep both folders.
It says what?
Replace
Replace,
existing folder
replace existing folder,
marked by default,
marked by default,
and another option unmarked, keep both folders.
or keep both folders. Which one do you want to do?
Keep both folders because I'm using different computers every time, and in every computer depends on the username. It determines the subfolder. Do you understand?
Based on the username, there's a different subfolder.
Yes, and I want to retain both of them. That tells me which computer did I use.
So it'll tell you which computer you used.
What tells me which computer I used?
If you
The
say
subfolder.
the subfolder, if you say
Why?
not
Because
not
what is included in the subfolder?
is your the entire path,
No, the username.
the username.
And in different computers, I have different usernames.
So you don't want
From pum pum, no garbage. Like on the University of Miami, I may have a.s.rushenik at miami.edu. On my laptop, I have A. On your laptop, it may be some other thing.
so basically so you don't
Do you
want
understand that? And I want to retain all of them
so you don't want to
because it
replace.
gives me the date of the upload. So when I calculate the 60 days or 90 days, I can see which one date was the last date and which computer was it from.
So bottom line is you don't want to replace, you want to make another folder
Right.
with another folder, and it'll give it it'll give it a digit after it, like 1 or something like that. How will it differentiate?
That we will see later. Right now, I just want to upload it and keep both folders,
You want to keep, you don't want to replace.
which is the default, and I click on upload, and then it uploads it and it gives me the name.
What's the name?
And not only the name, it tells me 9 of 9. So there are some 9 files there, and it already uploaded all 9 of them.
It uploaded already all 9 of them.
So I go back to the file name and the path, and before that I insert an X to tell me that I've done it already and I don't need to re-upload it. And underneath it, I place the number of folders, which is 9. So by so doing, and then file save, I finished this to deal with this email and phone, which is X Strategies Co. Do you understand? So now that I finished with that, I'm going to take the same file name and use it for Pissar. So I copied the same file name to my clipboard buffer, or maybe the whole string to my clipboard buffer. Copy, then go to edit as a comment to Pissar, and hit return, and OK, and then stop record on Pissar. And I'm going to try to save Pissar with a new file name that deals with this one number. Save.
What deals with the one number? The
I'm going
Pissar?
to save Pissar problem step recorder file,
You're going to save the problem step recorder file.
except that it's not going to be on the subfolder that is called X Strategies Co. Instead, it's going to be in the psr.exe subfolder because it is a zip type of file.
It's a zip type of file, so why is it not going to be in the regular folder?
Because the regular folder is in text. This is using the grandfather, father, son, 3 copies of everything. One is in zip format in psr.exe,
It comes up with the zip format.
right? One is in a text file on Google Voice subfolder,
One is a text file in Google Voice.
subfolder,
Subfolder, where's the third?
off of the document folder.
Off of the document folder, where's the third?
And the third is its own subfolder that is called open parenthesis XTR for X strategy, close parenthesis X strategies co.
Where you put the telephone number as a file name.
Yes. But spelled out with a vanity phone number.
The vanity phone number.
After that, an @ sign indicating that it has an email with the same name. xstrategiesco@gmail.com. Say that.
xstrategiesco@gmail.com, but you also did.
Just run pum pum, no other bullshit. Just this, one thing at a time. Bring it to a conclusion, then start with kushas.
What about the paren?
The file is open paren.
You didn't say that.
I did say
No,
that.
no.
XTR,
XTR. No, you
close paren,
said close paren.
and the remaining of the word xstrategies co.
Strategy code, the remainder of the word.
Yes, and then an @ sign,
And then an @ sign.
and then the telephone number.
And then the actual digits.
The actual digits of the telephone number,
And the actual
which
digit,
are open parentheses for the area code. Repeat it.
It's open paren, not parentheses.
Open paren for the area code.
For
The
the
area
beginning
code.
of the area code.
The area code is 978. The entire area code, not beginning.
No,
Open
no,
paren the entire area code, which is 978.
978, close paren.
Close paren. And then the remaining of the number, which is 728
728
dash 3443.
3443. If you repeat it,
And then will not expire in 30 days.
it will not expire in 30 days. 'Cause you were
So
ready
what
to
I did, I
call
copied the message, will expire in 30 days, and inserted the word not
Inserted the word not.
to indicate that I dealt with this message
It dealt with the response.
and made it structural and repetitive
You made it,
so a macro or an AI can do it
made it,
because the structure is always the same.
the structure is the same, so
Take the message, will expire in 30 days, insert the word not, and create a log file like that. Did you understand that?
you wanted to create a log file and you wanted to have a formula there, basically, that it could follow. Rules.
And then I save it also in the log subfolder. So I have 3 or 4 subfolders with the same content in case I waste some of them. Plus I copy to the cloud, to the Google Drive. So if I lose the computer, I can go to any of the Google Drives and retrieve all these files, including the Google Voice file and the individual files for each email.
That match, you can go to the corresponding Google Drive, matching the email.
Do you understand that?
Match the email.
Right, so summarize, what did I just
So
tell
you
you?
just basically are doing a number of updates in different places along with the Gmail account for the certain number. You also place it in its corresponding Google Drive, which is important because you have, so if you have so many machines that you upload this to, it's hard to keep track. So this way, if your machine crashes, you have the corresponding Google Drive, and you're not going to have too many. You're not going to pass the limits of the storage.
No, because I'm going to go and I'll tell you I got 15 gig and I use only less than a gig.
Yeah, and
not your normal
I
Google
know,
Drive.
so that's what I'm stating that.
In fact, I'm reading to you now, it is 3.5 gigabyte of 15 gigs used, so there's plenty more space.
Right. And what's in there in the gigabytes? Why is it so much? The gigabytes
It's
are
not
right.
much. I've been doing it for 4 years, so it is every time 455s accumulate.
The gigabytes?
Yes.
Video there too?
No.
Then why is it, it doesn't seem like you're that.
You can see the list. It's listing here. Don't just kill time and waste time. So I'm explaining it to you. It's a lot. It's not a lot. You want to see the files? They're all listed here. It's a lot of files, but I do it from different computers and I keep multiple copies.
Oh, okay, so there's redundancy.
Google Voice, a lot of redundancy.
Okay, so
All these files are present on half a dozen different computers
you're always putting them on the Google Drive.
and always keeping the
Google Drive.
previous copies
That's
because they are dated. That way I can see which one is the latest and go back in reverse to retrieve information. Do you understand? So sometimes, for example, let's say that I'm on a public computer. Do you hear me talking to your wall?
you're on a public computer.
I want to see what I got. I can log into
Google Drive.
this Google account and the Google Drive and retrieve all the information of all the
That's history.
communications that I had, not only with this number, but with all the other emails and numbers. You understand?
No problem. It's cloud-based.
So for all the numbers, multiple copies, over 5 or 10 years is accumulating to 3 gigabytes. Do you understand? Does it make sense now?
Yes, that you have the reason why it's 3 gig is that you have a lot of duplicates from a number of different machines.
Over
Same-
many years.
Do the same information, yeah. And you have to update every what? How many? How often?
Every 90 days.
Every 90 days. That's the reason.
Help me, Wanda.
And some of these numbers you've had for a number of years.
So now I finished with one number and I'm going to the email to check for another one, another message that has will not expire, will expire in 30 days, or Google Voice. So the next one is a Way Dr. Zoom AI.
I'm going out to the car to get the portable
Fine.
drive because it's not raining. and
Okay, fine.
It'll be very little time that it's not raining.
So get it, fine.
You got money?
Yeah.
Drift? What did I say?
You're going to the car.
Yeah.
So now I copy the name, Way Dr. Zoom AI. So I delete the message from Dr. S. Rush. Do you hear me?
Yeah. That's right.
What? I deleted the message from Dr. S. Rush that the number will expire.
Deleted it from DRS.
Yes. you say okay? Because you didn't give me a choice. You say I'm going. What do you want me to do?
You can say I need you.
I need you. Fine, I need you. I'm going to send you a code or a call to your phone. Turn your phone on.
It is on.
Okay, I'm calling you now. Turn the speaker on. Tell me, turn the speaker on. Let's go.
It's there.
Thank you for using
Come here.
Google Phone Verification. Remember, you should not share this code with anyone else, and no one from Google will ever ask for this code. Your code is 384044. Again, your code is 384044.
That's it.
Goodbye.
And now I'm putting a recovery email, Dr. S. Rush. Do you hear me talking to your wall? Yes or no? Jesus, help me.
Don't you be so nasty.
Nasty schmasty, come here and help a little.
I'm
And take us
cleaning up.
cleaning and talking trash. Look at all the messages. Apparently J.C. Penney's or somebody was using it. And all their trash comes back here. New text message.
Look which account you're in.
I told you already 5 times.
No, but you have to look.
Way Dr. Zoom AI.
Okay, so you're getting a lot. So you're getting a lot of Google Voice messages there.
So what? I
So
already told you that 3 times.
No, but I'm just looking now on the screen.
Or what can I do with it besides deleting it?
You can save it. What do you mean? What can
Save the messages?
you asked me, what can you do with it?
How do would I save all these messages? To clutter my space?
I don't want to clutter your space.
I'm asking you, you little fucker.
Don't start cursing. You're
I'm so
asking me,
frustrated
what are
out of my
choices?
head.
You're asking me what
What
are your
should I
choices?
do, I asked you. Not my choices are obvious. Can I use those messages?
I don't know which ones they gave
The
you. I have
J.C.
to,
Penney's
this JC,
on promotions that they have.
oh, okay. Because I guess they're basically, I get JC Penney's too on my phone. So it probably, on my phone I
So
get
I'm
JC
asking you
Penney.
what to do with it.
Delete them. Delete them. Go back and delete them all. So here you can basically, you can,
Help me, Ron.
you don't know how to delete it?
I didn't ask you how to delete it. I'm asking you what else can I do besides deleting it.
Security alert. It's from AutoZone. Oh, it's interesting that it's all the ones that I get. I get these on my phone. So why are we getting it on your account?
Because I'm using your phone as a backup and recovery.
Okay, so I get these and I just delete them when it comes in. And it's J.C. Penney's, Bloomingdale's, and
So mark
AutoZone.
them all for deletion. All, there is one button to mark them all.
Oh.
Scroll down to the very
No,
end.
it's the delete there,
Okay,
up
fine.
here. Why do I have to scroll all the way down? It's right up here. You see here, you
Fine,
have a
so
choice.
now go to the waffle.
Can I close this?
No, go to the waffle.
I'm at the waffle.
Click on it and not around it.
I clicked on it, but it's
So
behind this.
close
I
it.
asked to close it. You said no.
Now go to the waffle.
Now it
And
appears
scroll
because
down to no garbage.
no, I'm showing
To
you
the
it down my
Google Voice.
Google Form. And this is A, and this is okay.
And now look at the messages that you got there.
Yeah.
Are they spam or what are they?
It says I have 4 messages. They're the same. It's the same thing.
So mark them
JCP.
all and delete them all.
I don't know how to mark them. all.
Hold down the shift key and mark the first, the second, the third, all the way to the end. Now click on the icon for deletion and confirm deletion.
I didn't confirm deletion. I just
Never
did-
mind.
did-
Now click the top
Four,
button.
now you have 14 here. You have voicemails here too.
So
Okay.
they also
Try
spam.
one clicking down.
So do it the same thing here to delete all of them. And if there are any more, delete the rest. Now
No.
click on the top button
What top
on the
button?
left hand side.
What top button?
Move the cursor to the,
To the telephone?
yeah, and click on it.
No, because there's a lot of top buttons here. You have
Click on the telephone button. I cannot see from this distance.
Okay.
And now look at the spam and delete the spams.
They're just
Keep the 640 because this indicates how when I called out.
and then there's the 843 and the 669. So most of them are ones that you know. And then I called Digimarcon. These
Anything
are ones.
that we called, leave it.
All of these we called.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So select the one that has 640 on it.
Okay.
Click on it.
Okay.
Now click on the phone to dial out. Now make it
Hello,
smaller.
this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I
Make
can
it
help you
smaller
learn new
second
things.
time.
You can access
Okay,
this
you can
service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
You need my phone, you can use my phone if you need it. I'm going to get the battery pack before it starts
Fine.
ringing. I'm leaving my phone here, so
Fine,
you can.
thank you. Word.
Right
Okay,
there.
fine, thank
You don't need it.
you. No. Акви чайника. We segregate the area code with open and closed paren. And then I copy the path to Google Voice to the clipboard buffer. Edit copy. And then insert it in front of the file name and paste. I can also add the recovery phone numbers and the other information. Dr. S. Rush. Plus cycle. And this is why they want you to enter their backup so they can spam you, you understand, with all the messages and see if they can get you to buy.
Buy extra storage. So that's why those gigabytes were there too. It's those phone calls. Max charging.
It's better to buy it on the other one
Walmart has it for 26.
or Costco.
That's what this is.
So get it from Walmart.
But I don't know. See, because you see here, I like
Is it
it.
exactly the same or similar?
It's just making it ugly. It's hard to tell. See, this is what this looks like.
It's not hard to tell at all.
This is 3,000. I think they've improved. See, they have different watts. This one, and then this one. Infinity light. Portable. See, this looks like what is this one? Oh, this is like they're not exactly the same. They're just when you do jump, then you see the names. Home Depot, I think that's where we bought it. But it's so expensive. See, it's $129 in Home Depot, and they're charging $49, similar and $59 in Amazon, and it's you can get it at
29 in Walmart.
there's another type. You understand?
How much difference that?
I don't know, $26.
Order the cheapest one.
I like Amazon. Amazon has different ones too. This is $129.
Do whatever you want. I told you what I think. You do whatever you want and let me work already.
Okay, the Mini Max 12 volt. I'll check to see if they have it in Amazon. Okay? I'm gonna be in the other room. I'm going to check.
Stay here or leave your phone here
Okay, here's my phone.
and charge it.
It's 99%. It's at 100.
Don't remember your name. Garbage, full of garbage
Here's
all
my
the
phone.
time.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the other thing and order it because I don't, in case my card breaks down during the hurricane. But I want to fill up my gas.
Right. You see that I'm working. No mercy. hours. Make an outbound call.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things. You can access this service and video call me by subscribing with this number on callannie.ai. Talk to you soon.
To 174. And I'm looking for X strategy run. V W X Y. Here's X strategy run. Strategy run. And then upload once, keep both, and upload again, This is 6. So I put an X in front of it, space. Then after that I put the number 6. So I know that file 7. Now I'll go back to find any more numbers that need to be that with security alert, someone added recovery. So all of these I want to delete them. Delete. And then will expire in five Kane ID. No more expired in. Let's look at Google Voice. Google Voice. Verify your Google Voice number forwarding. How to verify this? Okay, so this is going to be the next item on the agenda here. Segregated by open and close parentheses. Before I do that, I'd like to finish with this one. I'm copying it from here. Edit as a comment to Psar. Then I'm going to stop Psar. Try to save it to another folder yet. Take the previous one. If I want just paste the new one on top. Then psar.exe, copy it. If I want, I can also add to this a video file name. Let's do that. Let's stop the recording here. Don't upload. Start a new recording. Full screen. and insert the file name into the notes. Right here is an MPEG type of file. Very sure. ZP for zip. $420 steps. Wow. No recording and edit comment to the previous file name. So now I want to log into strategize. So I'm going to use another, maybe the second one. Use another. Okay. 12 here. Finally, let's think so. Sign out the full account. Sign in again. Next. Next. Now I want to go to this account, which is extraditors.
Home Depot no longer sells this,
Uh-huh.
and they said, one is don't keep it, it's like an oxymoron, but never keep these in a hot car.
Uh-huh.
Also, with any of these batteries, you should never charge it to 100%. Always just charge it, and also your phone, you should never charge your phone to 100%. Keep it to 80%.
So how can I keep it in a cool place? The car is hot.
I'm just telling you what they
Yeah,
say.
I know. Well,
They-
fine, but we have to think about it.
Okay, so maybe not
How
in
can
the
I
side,
cool
but
it?
I don't know. Is it cooler in the glove compartment? I don't know where it's
No,
gonna
it's
be
all
cool.
hot in
Okay,
Miami.
okay. So I'm just telling you what they said.
Unless you have some kind of a cooling
Like put it
cooler,
in. No, put
like
it
a
in.
mini cooler.
Like those things that you have that maybe some of those little mini coolers that we have with the handle.
Yeah, but doesn't really keep it.
But
really
maybe it
cold.
doesn't. But maybe it doesn't keep it so hot.
Yeah.
I don't know. But they said the reason is when you keep it in a hot car, and they said you should really dispose of this. If this is close to anything, this can explode. And they said you're not supposed to quote throw it in the trash. You're supposed to
Not the
dispose.
storage. I want to keep it and keep it working. That's all for now.
I don't want to keep it working, and I'm going to order another one. I don't want. They say you can charge it. This can explode.
But
You
it's
understand?
Not exploding so quickly.
It's not so quickly. I don't want to take the risk. Okay, when I'm stuck
I'm
somewhere.
working here in the middle. Can
Okay.
you help me, Rhonda?
No.
Let me finish this. I have 1 minute more minute
Okay,
to finish,
so
and you're
finish.
interrupting me every second.
Okay, fine.
Stay here. I need your help.
What do you need it for?
I need to verify something. Stay here for a second. And help me figure out this coaching. It has some messages about
So let me.
AI studio coaching. Don't scream, please.
Where?
On the left side, you see? Let me
AI
show you. Please
Studio.
don't scream.
It
at
says Gemini Flash. It's Gemini 1.1.
me. And these, any messages here
No.
are relevant or
No.
useful in any
No.
way? What
No.
are they about?
Google Studio.
AI studio, so stupid.
Google Studio. Deprecation.
Deprecation.
Yeah.
Where does it say deprecation? Update deprecation of Gemini. What does it mean, deprecation of Gemini?
On vision for Google AI. But that would, no,
The Gemini is not good, deprecation.
no, deprecation sometimes when you're
It's a synonym for deprecation.
lowering the standard.
Of Gemini Pro Vision from
Yeah.
Google AI.
Right.
What does it mean, all this?
Will be deprecated. Gemini,
Which means that
They
we
will be
will replace it.
no, that they're not going to, that it's not going to be supported.
So it's not going to be
What is
supported
Gemini 1.0?
for developers.
Yeah,
Okay, and what are the other messages?
about Gemini. That Gemini 1.5, it's going to be, is now generally available, is now available at a reduced price. And that you can join the Gemini API developer competition.
Which is not interesting.
No,
Not interested.
no, all of it. No, I'm not.
So I can delete all
But
of
here
them.
it says Google Voice 978
Yeah,
will
this-
expire in 30 days.
Fine, so I'm going to
7
look
days.
into it now.
Okay, so you've had some before that you didn't delete these before.
Then you have 7 days.
But this was in August. Did you get it?
It may no longer be available now.
I don't know. You never deleted this number. It doesn't mean that you didn't. Did you just get that now? Did you just get that now?
Let me just go to the voice. Please stay with me and help me a little.
Here's voice. Says, okay, so in August,
Spam.
they said that spam.
Shift. Hold the shift key down. Click the left mouse. Any more spams here?
You didn't, no, I don't know what 203 is.
It's an outgoing outbound, so I must have called.
Oh, okay, fine. I just said that. Okay. The rest is.
Hello, this is Annie. We can chat about your day, or I can help you learn new things.
message?
The message now was verify your Google Voice forwarding.
Okay. That's the Google Voice forwarding number. Who's 949-666? That's you?
Yes,
Where's more biz?
yes. So what do they want me to do there? Oh, this long message here.
Hello. We'd like to make sure the information is accurate and you still own the forwarding number. If you want Google Voice to continue forwarding calls, please verify by October. To re-verify, please visit. Even if you don't re-verify. So how do you verify?
Just like I did before.
How? Which is what?
You go to
This is the forwarding number to verify.
you have to go to the setup
Where's setup?
for Google Voice. Go to Gmail.
You're in Gmail.
Gmail
Which version? You are in Gmail. Of one strategize.
settings. CO settings.
Okay. You want to do forwarding or something?
Is there anything about forwarding here?
Hold on. That's forwarding the email, not the. This is about forwarding for your Google Voice.
Forwarding and pop map.
Should be forwarding. That's forwarding and pop map for.
Then you can go to voice.
Google Voice.
There is a setup for voice.
There's settings. You mean.
Settings.
Where are the settings? Be here.
Messages, just don't touch anything.
Or how about here?
Is there a settings in
I
there?
don't know. Click on it.
I did.
I don't know. I don't see. I see voicemail,
Settings here.
receiving calls.
Google Voice number. Okay. Web. Here it is.
Here's Google Google
Recovery.
Voice now. Okay, recover. Okay. Re-verify. That's it. Verify. Yeah. Verify your calls made to your Google are forwarded to this
Send
number.
code.
Okay, so you have to open up your phone. Where's your phone?
Phone is open.
Yeah, but a lot of times when you get video, you don't get the number.
You want me to stop it?
Yeah, stop your video and make sure your phone call is working. A lot of times you by mistake.
So here I'm stopping the video and let me figure out what you want to
Okay,
do.
so this is what you look at it. You want to make sure that your voice is okay. You look like you're okay. You're 55%. Okay, now you send it. Okay,
Look, make a call. I want to make
calls
a call.
made. No, it says
So
calls
I can
made
record
are
it. Don't
forwarded.
interrupt me, please. Let me finish
Call
the
will
sentence.
send you a. You can.
I
Okay.
cannot compete with you on
Okay.
trash talk.
Okay. Call. You wanted to call.
Turn on the speaker, please.
No, I have to get the call first. You'll hear a 6-digit. Okay, so call. Something went wrong. You'll hear something's wrong with your phone.
So let's go to text. What do you
Yeah,
want me to
try
do?
to go to text. Hold on, let me just make sure that.
Let me call from another
Oh
phone.
no,
Don't scream at me, please.
what do you mean call from? What do you mean call from? No, it says re-verify. I'll call this number first. Just make sure that this calls 949-667. Oh no, this is this obviously is not. This is not 949. Is this your phone number?
66. Finish the phone number first.
It says
667 more.
3249. Don't poke me.
611, announcement 3. Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
No.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
No.
Please check the number.
What did you dial?
Repeat the number.
949 667
67
3249.
3249 4. Answer the phone, please.
There's nothing calling. What do you want me to answer? Okay, now it's working.
Answer the phone, please.
Hello. Well,
Okay, it is working fine. So
Okay.
hang up.
okay. Is that the same number here?
Yes.
Okay, so re-verify. Send it in text format.
I want to call again.
Okay.
Maybe something didn't work.
Okay, try re-verify.
No.
Oh, maybe you have to put the number in.
Okay.
Is that right? Or, or forward to this number. Google Voice will send you, okay, verify by phone. So say send code.
Let me see if let me type. It doesn't let me
No.
type another number.
So call. So call.
Swipe the phone, please. Swipe the phone.
I did. So. No, something to verify, we'll call it. Okay, cancel. Try to do the other one. Doesn't work that way. Re-verify. Send code. Doesn't. Okay. Yeah. 115.
115
150. 11550.
50.
Right. Verify. Okay. All right. You got it? That's it. So it's been verified. What else do you want from me?
Now to test it, it's call the number and see that it will ring to here.
Okay,
You
so call it
understand?
from there. Call it from another phone. So call 978.
Can you please
978. You don't need one.
978
978 728
728
3449.
3449.
Right.
Talk. And answer it. You need
I
to
will.
swipe it.
I don't swipe, it has to answer.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
AV calling 1X strategize.
Okay, so it's calling.
Answer it.
Yeah.
To accept, press 1. To send a voicemail, press 2.
Okay. It's
Can
working.
you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. It worked.
Thank you.
All right.
Can you give it to me back? Thank
This is
you.
your phone. Okay.
Yes, thank
Working.
you. Please stay nearby so I can ask you for help.
It's raining again.
Fine. Let me finish, please. So now I want to document it in the Google Voice and in its own folder. Do you understand?
You want to document it in Google Voice in its own folder.
So first of all, I'm going to segregate the area code with open and close parentheses.
You're going to have the area code. You're going to have an open paren and a closed paren for the area code.
So it reads 1, open paren, XST. Repeat it,
XST.
right? And then I'm going to add some notes concerning the forwarding phone.
And the forwarding phone number.
Verify Google Voice forwarding phone in the next 90 days. So this is the message now. You understand?
Yeah. You forward the phone.
It's actually re-verify, not just verify.
Re-verify.
I'll put the word
I'm going to show it to.
re-verify.
I'm leaving you my phone.
Where is it?
It's on the desk. You put it.
Thank you. In addition that I called Anan, called six forwarding. And I add will not expire. Will not expire. And then I want to take Google Voice and save it to Google Voice. Now I want to go to Drive. My Drive. No. Upload. Paste. Delete. And enter. Enter. And upload. And keep both. And upload. 275. 275. 5. Save as. Document. Scroll down to 1x. 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 Strategize. If 1x strategize the tool, then 24, 24. The more recent one is the second one. Save. Doesn't like that. Why? Oh, yeah, does like it. Okay, edit paste. Now I want to upload that to folder upload. Paste the folder. Delete and enter. And enter. And upload. And keep both and upload. So this is 2 of 2. Two. Sorry. And that's it. Edit comment. Paste and enter. And I want to stop record. Stop record. I'm waiting for it to let me save it. Meantime, I'm going to do file save here. File. 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 Open. Good. Okay, now save. This is VP. I'm going to type, paste it in here. I want to paste it also in log. I want to paste it again. Look for the log subfolder. If I can find the log subfolder anywhere there. No log, okay. File, save as, document, hold on to letter L for log, L-O, log, ten, file, 2024, 10, 5, 2024, or the day of the week is Saturday, capital S, period Saturday, and the time of the day is 2:34 p.m. And
What?
It's just recording some messages, so please excuse me, let me finish here. You want to help me, narrate what I'm doing. So now, I want to strip the media from the multiple recordings that I made. For that purpose, I'm going to take my phone first of all. First of all, I have to make a subfolder. And I remember that yesterday I had some problem. So I have to back up everything to the hard drive. So, but first of all, I'm going to make a subfolder on my backup hard drive. So I'm pasting the folder name, but taking out the path out of it. So I'm going to delete the path and create a subfolder that contains the date, day of the week, and the time. And then the message will be re-verify your Google Voice. That's enough of a message, a Google Voice. Forwarding.
I'll leave you my phone here and go to the kids.
Fine. Let me see if I have enough space. Copy it. I may have enough space on my hard drive here. And then I'm going to do it on this hard drive. File Explorer. Go to video. Let's see how much space I have first. Properties. Doesn't say how much space I have left on this drive. Let's go to minimize videos and go to see properties. 13 gig. It's not enough. So I want to go to drive. Seagate G. Is this pretty full? What the hell in that way? Samsung. Samsung. 150 gig. Free space. Okay. Yeah. 40 gig. Let's see what it says. Video. Galaxy iView and MHT. Galaxy white and purple. So 900 gives us a lot more space here. So let's go on purple. And then the folder. And paste. And copy. From purple to ivory. Paste. So I got it in purple, I got it in ivory. Now I want to copy it with my notes. And my notes will start with open paren. Let's see if I finished all of that one. Ideal. 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 6, ideal. 5, 4, 3, 2. I can find the purple. No folder. Okay. Folder that I haven't downloaded. Go on. I need to go to have to upload it to purple. Let's see if there's another. First, 50 July, copy and open. And that is how many? 15. So that's going to go to B, space 15, Control V, to enter them all, and file save. All save. I'm finishing this upload here. And then go to iView, I made iView on Drive F. Then I go to Drive F and make another one for iView and another one for the phone. So let's see if I can go to video here. I did iView and now I want to do purple. Apple has got it already and Ivy has got it. That's all I have for now. So at this point I want to save the folders. Start from my parent. Start the recording. Close all apps. Connect to my phone. I want to swipe it. Okay, let's see if we can see it. I want to get one of them. Galaxy SD PCIe camera. Take the first one. Shift to the last one. Cut. I'll go to one File Explorer. I want to go to Add. And then if I want to go to video, and in video I want to go to purple, base there, and paste. the goggles. Stop recording. Turn them off. Disconnect them from the cable.